Hello, my name is Regina Carbayo. I'm an artist from the south of Spain, from Cádiz. So today I'm going to show you through this video how I usually make a drawing or a sketch, mainly combining graphite pencil and watercolor. So today's subject is branches and flowers. And it's a drawing that I made a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago. I don't really remember which was the day, as it has already been our 42nd day of absolute lockdown in Spain. Crazy. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video and the drawing. So I start with a graphite pencil, 2B, and later I will use 4B, 6B, and sometimes even 8B. Something very important, as you can see here, I play around with lines. So for the darker areas, I use a very soft pencil like 4B, or I apply more pressure. And for the very light areas, I draw the lines very subtle, very light. So do not overdraw, because in that way, if you overdraw, your drawing would be very static. Whereas if you play around with the thickness of the lines and with the strokes, your drawing is gonna have more rhythm. And when it comes to use watercolor, I start from a light tone with the watercolor very diluted to a darker tone. Whereas if you want to create an effect by mixing two different colors, then I would add the next color when the paper is still wet from the previous brush strokes. And also, to create depth effect, I leave the background with a very light tone to highlight the flowers and the branches that are in the foreground. So this is something very important to be aware of. You shouldn't paint or draw the subject that is in the foreground with the same information that the one that is in the background. I mean, with the same details. And here at the end, I will add whatever I think is needed. For example, a bit of more pencil strokes, and also white. I like adding white at the very end on the brightest areas, and I do it with a white marker or with a corrector. And here I'm painting with the darkest color just on the shaded areas and adding a little bit of graphite pencil just to finish off my drawing. And here I'm adding few lines with a purple marker just to give an extra nuance to my drawing.